3 Steps to a Comfortable, Smooth, and Pain-Free Shave by Frederick Benjamin. Step 1. Prep your skin with our Easy Primer Pre-Shave Oil. Using your fingertips, apply 2 to 3 pumps to shaving area. Pre-shave oil will moisturize and prepare your skin to help the razor glide effortlessly. Less friction means less irritation. Step 2. Apply Hydro Glaze Cooling Aloe Shave Gel. Our shaving gel goes on clear so you can see what you're shaving, which means fewer mistakes and no additional blade strokes to correct them. That's less irritation. Plus, it lifts the hair, creating a pain-free path to the exact look you want. After shaving, rinse with cool water to close the pores and start the soothing and healing process. Use a towel to pat the face dry. Finish your shaving regimen by applying Bump Clear Post-Shave and Bump Treatment. Not only will this soothe and moisturize your face and neck, but it's also clinically proven and dermatologist recommended to reduce, eliminate, and prevent razor rash and bumps. Frederick Benjamin. Look as good as you feel.